Hello family, and thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to make shrimp fried rice, and these are the ingredients. I have some shrimp, some frozen shrimp, some medium-sized ones that I cut up. I have some bacon I chopped up, some oil, this is vegetable oil. I have some green onions, these are the greens and the whites. I have 2 eggs. I have chopped ginger, and I have chopped garlic, pepper, and soy sauce. We have your white rice over here. And here's what we're going to do with it. I'm going to add some oil. Move it all around the pan. This hot, and I'm going to add my eggs. I'm going to scramble them lightly, and then I'm going to remove them. I'm going to add more oil. Add the white parts of my scallion. Garlic. Ginger. I'm going to add my bacon. I'm going to stir this around till my bacon has cooked. When my bacon is cooked, I'm going to add in the shrimp. Let them cook for a minute or so. Now I'm going to add in some rice. A little more rice. I'm going to add in some soy sauce. Don't put too much because you know it's really salty. It's better with day-old rice. You leave it in the refrigerator and let it dry out if you're going to cook some the next day. Now I'm going to add some pepper. And green onions. I'm going to turn off my pot. This is the green part of the scallion. And I'm going to plate it up, and I'll be right back. I have to add my egg back in. I'm sorry. That's very important. And that's better. Now I'm going to plate it up. Be right back. And there you have it. Shrimp fried rice. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I had a ball. I hope you did too. And today is it's always a good day to do something good for someone. Until next time, be well.